Last year, I had the chance to visit Bratislava, Slovakia. Now, I couldn't have told you where Bratislava was located before this trip, but now that I've been there and experienced a lot of what it has to offer, it's certainly on the map for me now. And if you're thinking about heading to Bratislava soon, I have the top 10 things to do, eat, and see while you're in the city. I am in Bratislava. I'm in Bratislava, Slovakia for the next week for a work conference. Couldn't have told you where Slovakia was on a map a couple days ago, but anyway, we're gonna check it out and let you know what to do in Slovakia. Perhaps the most iconic thing to see is the Bratislava Castle. The castle towers above the city, giving you great views for miles or kilometers. I think you may have to pay to go in, but it's free to explore around the castle and the garden area. The next thing you should explore is Old Town. Old Town has a lot of shops, restaurants, and even live bands. At least while we were there was this summer battle of the bands kind of going on, and a lot of people gathered in the city square for it. It was a lot of fun. While I was in Bratislava, I went into Old Town every day. While you're in Old Town, every blogger and YouTuber says you have to visit Michael's Gate. It's apparently the only preserved gate of the city left from the 14th century. So what I just passed through is Michael's Gate. It's kind of the entrance into the Old Town here, but it's currently under renovations. The city is filled with a lot of old churches and statues. I'm not sure the historical significance of a lot of these, but they are a sight to see. One of the more popular churches worth seeing is the Church of St. Elizabeth, more commonly called the Blue Church. It's named the Blue Church for its blue mosaics and roof. Found a Tar Heel blue church here in Bratislava. Always knew Slovaks were UNC fans. If you want to see Old Town from above, check out the UFO. You can go up in this restaurant lookout space to see a 360-degree view of the city. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time while we were there to venture up, but we heard it's pretty cool. Just make sure you make a reservation in advance. If you want to dine even higher than the UFO, check out the television tower. This old television tower has been converted into a rotating restaurant. And if you're lucky to go on a clear day, you can see out to Austria, Hungary, and the Czech Republic. Here's a pro tip for you guys. If you show up a little early for dinner, go across the street to this path which leads to a lookout over the city. It's actually an amazing view. No trip to Bratislava is complete without having some traditional cuisine. Check out the Slovak pub for an authentic culinary experience. I recommend getting the 3 dumpling platter, although you're definitely going to want to split it. Kofala goes out to Frank. Cheers, buddy. Also, make sure to get a kofala. I think that's how they say it. It's like their version of Coke. In the evening, there's also plenty of bars to explore. And you guys that have been following me for a while now know that there's one restaurant that I gotta try in every country I go to. Time to try a Slovakian Big Mac. Coming at you. Tastes like a Big Mac. You're gonna need to walk off all that good food you've been eating with a stroll along the Danube River. There's all kinds of things to look at along the river trails, and you may even see some large cruise boats coming in. The last thing I would recommend if you find yourself in Bratislava is visiting Vienna. You're only a car ride away from this amazing historical city. We decided to fly in and out of Vienna, so we made sure to bump around the city for a little while, and we even tried some good schnitzel. And yes, it was the size of my face. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.